There are two ways to slip stitches, so I'm going to show you how to do both and then tell you how to know when to use each one. Alright, if you are slipping a stitch knitwise, that means you're going to insert the needle as if to knit. But don't wrap your yarn around it, just move it over to the other needle. Super easy. I'm going to put that back on my needle. And if you are going to slip a stitch purlwise, you insert your needle as if to purl, and then just move the stitch over to the other needle. One thing to note is to make sure your yarn is being held in the correct spot. Slipping a stitch purlwise doesn't mean you have to move your yarn to the front like you are going to purl, unless your pattern tells you to. So just keep it in the back when you slip a stitch purlwise. So when do you do which? Slipping your stitches purlwise is going to be your default. If a pattern doesn't indicate which you should choose, chances are it's going to be purlwise. Slipping your stitches this way is going to leave them lying in the correct way, and slipping them knitwise will twist them, which is fine if you're doing that for an effect or if you're going to further manipulate them. For example, if you're doing an SSK. So the general rule that you should follow if you're unsure is to slip them purlwise.